Hello, this is Drew Murray from Havre, Montana. It's on holidayvillagemall.com. It's daylight settings on March 10, 2019. And I learned how to drive through Walmart, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's get started. What we see here is that I'm going to have to see that way because I'm going to have to hit this driving. I have to get this one to get it close. And this is a pilot of driving with Drewby. And this is I want you because to find out more. We got very sure we got your snow right here. It gets you close to it, and then sometimes you always says I don't have to worry about this because I don't have to see that way because I don't have to worry about and maybe she have to go down the hill like that and shit. You always says because you always say it like that because I only have to see that way. You got finally got this one. You have to see that way, and someone has to have to go turn right here, and world's most cybersec come, and you have to see here is that someone has to worry about that because sometimes there always says they have to do it such as D, E, and F, which used to be extended road partitions, which is number 1. There has to be sometimes it always says they got supposed to it, and then let me have to go turn left right here because I'm gonna have to see that way because I was a responsible person, and this is it obviously is. So let me go. I'll go ahead and turn left right here. So Andrea, you have to go and hit the punch the car, and all you have to do it. You have to twist the road and see how it goes. Now the traffic light, you always says because you have to see that way. That way. There's a DQ open right here. This ice cream so good, huh? That's tasty. Okay, Andrea, we're now going to have a road, and finally got this one. We got our driving the easiest way I have to do, and professionals they got to see that way, and I just have to worry about that because I'm gonna have this. It's getting partly cloudy, and so I got this one. I'm supposed to it. So but the last part, let's say Jude, and somebody got this one. You got our at least you always just think I'm supposed to it, and let's go turn right here. So here is the here is the Havre's Helping Haven. You have to see that way, and I wonder if I have to check your bed to see what's inside here. I'll take care of it later. This is learn how to drop off your sister. So
oh Jesus!
There's a St. Jude school right here.
Okay.
And so Barack Obama said, you always says because I'm gonna have to see that way, and you have to this I'm gonna have to do it like that.
Stop.
Yes. I like this horn better. So for the third, you always says you have to see that way. I always have to 4 to 16 and a half, and was not a good 7th career, and I have to see that way. I only have to fart on your Toadmeister, and you have to see here. Looks like Carrie needs a bath. I don't have to worry about that because I'll have to see that way. we're trying to hit the bumpy road onto this street. And I wonder if that's as opposed to it. And I have to see here is that all we had to go to Walmart to get send into the process, and into this and that's for Havre and Great Falls at the same time. The viewers would have to do store production process. Of course, like, and also, because I had to go turn right, but I'm going to switch the layout here. So now the tree is all trimmed. Look at that. It's gonna be right here. We're not going to have to see that way. Right? Well, it said, "Dear everybody, we need to build Burger King at Havre pretty soon." Let me have to go straight one more no. That's right. On to see him. I have to cross the United PC. So Andrew, what we show here is that Drewby's Nostalgic and Custom YouTube channel stands for Pilot and May. At least we have to punch the street light and have to see that way because so we're doing so part of the demo and we have to see that way because I'm gonna have to see that way. I can also he always does it all at once. And I can already see the only system at the same time. So it has to be honest, it has to be the full screen mode. So does Drewby's Nostalgia live in Havre, Montana? We can see that, see him for more information. So you always says because I always see that way. It just stand this across the United States. And now this should be so part of a demo. And I always says because I always have to see that way. I always says to find out more. And I always says footage monitor, and always says the responsibility, and also includes that's the United States, and also dealing with the monitors. Which USI-2 Montana is the always way across the medium town Montana, and always says there's always this there's a new KFC logo right here. There it is over there, and I go out, and it was almost like a drunk. Okay, here we're going again. And then all of a sudden, we need the new sign, Taco John's, pretty soon. And all you can see here is that all we have to see that available from at least across the United States. And I don't have to worry about that because easiest way they're supposed to it. And on these where we go. Sometimes we have to supposed to it, but the Weather Channel said you always says you have to worry about that. From the mid 80s, 90s to now. And sometimes we have to supposed to it. And then you see that way. But the magic clock says daylight savings begins tonight. And that's in the Weather Channel clock from 2005 to 2006. I get this done before. You need 140 outfitters down by Kmart, and I only have to see that way because I only have to see that way. But we're getting close to Walmart right here. So I was supposed to have to punch it, and nuts. I always see that way because yeah, there we go. There's Walmart ahead right here. Well, it's almost like a drunk. Actually, I have to drop out more and more. So, actually, I had to go turn left to see what it's like. And, it's like the real parking lots, okay? So, we have to find the parking lot. We got our easiest way have to do like that. And it was important. So, there we go. So this is Drew emailing. I have to close down for a business.